Okay, now it's okay. Now, how to proceed with this? Sec A and this is sec A plus tan A. What you do? Change sec and tan in terms of sine and cos, and then you will get the answer. Let us see, do it. If you write it as sec of A, this is 1 minus sine A. You can write it as 1 by cos A plus sine A by cos A. So what we get? This is sec of A into 1 minus sine of A, and if you take the rest, we have 1 plus sine A. So sec of A, 1 minus sine A into 1 plus sine A is 1 minus sine square A divided by cos A. So this becomes cos square A divided by cos A into cos A. So this is cos square A divided by cos square A, and that gives us 1. So that is the value on the right side. Question number 19. One by sin A plus cos A plus 1 by sin A minus cos A is equals to 2 sin A divided by 1 minus 2 cos square A. So again, starting from the left hand side, we have 1 by sin A plus cos A plus 1 by sin A minus cos A. If you take the LCM, we have sin A minus cos of A plus sin A plus cos A divided by, it is sin A plus cos A, so this will be sin A plus cos A into sin A minus cos A. This is the LCM. So if you look at the numerator, cos A and cos A will be eliminated. We are left with 2 sin A, and this is divided by sin A plus cos A, sin A minus cos A in the form of A plus B into A minus B. So you can write it is as sin square A minus cos square A. So it is 2 sin A as it appears in here also. So in the numerator we don't have any problem. In the denominator we have 1 minus 2 cos square A. Sin is not appearing, so change sin square A as 1 minus cos square A minus cos square A. So this gives 2 sin A divided by 1 minus 2 cos square A, which is our final result, that is on the right hand side. So this is question number 19. Just go through it, then moving on to question number 20. So write question number 20. 1 plus tan square A plus 1 plus 1 by tan square A, that is equals to 1 by sin square A minus sin to the power 4A. So see if you can try and get the value. I just give you a time, 1 minute's time. Just try, or else I will start doing on the board. started with. One plus 1 by tan square a. So we know that 1 plus tan square a is 6 square a, plus we can write it as 1 plus cot square a. So 6 square a plus, what is 1 plus cot square a? That is equals to cosec square a. So we write cosec square a. Now since we have the answer in the form of sine, in terms of sine, so let us do it 6 square a as 1 by cos square a plus 1 by sine square a. So we take the LCM, we have sine square a plus cos square a divided by cos square a into sine square a. So sine square a plus cos square a, the numerator becomes 1. And since we have no cos appearing in the final result, so we have to change cos square a in terms of sine. So we can write 1 minus sine square a into sine square a. So this will give us sine square a minus sine to the power 4a, and I think this is the value which is on the right hand side. Next question, number 21. Cos a by 1 plus sin a plus tan a is equals to sec of a. Try this. Cos a by 1 plus sin a plus tan a equals to sec of a. So we write the left hand side cos a by 1 plus sin a plus tan a. So what we do is cos a by 1 plus sin a. Now here what we will do is rationalize with 1 minus sin a, because in the denominator nothing is appearing here. So it is 1 minus sin a plus tan a. So we have cos a into 1 minus sin a by 1 minus sin square a and plus tan a. So we have, this is cos of a into 1 minus sin of a by cos square a plus tan a. So you can, what is, if you proceed with this, we have 1 minus sin a. Here cos a will cancel out, so we left with cos a in the denominator plus tan a. So you can write it as 1 by cos a minus of sin a by cos a plus tan a. So this is 1 by cos a is sec of a, which is here. This is minus tan a and this is plus tan a. So these two will be eliminated and we left with sec of a, and which is the value on the right hand side. So this is question number 21. Now moving on to question number 22. Sin of a divided by 1 minus cos a is equals to cosec a plus cot a. Sin A by 1 minus cos A equals to cosec A plus cot A. So here also you proceed the same way just we have done in the previous question number 21. Rationalize. So left hand side we have sin of A divided by 1 minus cos A. So this we can write it as sin A into 1 plus cos A, 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A. So this becomes sin of A into 1 plus cos of A, and in the denominator 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A minus B into A plus B, so 1 minus cos square A. So this comes sin A into 1 plus cos of A, and it becomes sin square A. So it can be reduced, so that finally takes 1 plus cos of A divided by sin A and sin square A. So it will be reduced to sin A. Now you separate the two, 1 by sin A plus cos A by sin A. So you get it as 1 by sin A, the reciprocal ratio cosec A, and this is the quotient ratio that gives you the value cot A, and which is the value on the right hand side. Moving on to question number 23. The question is root over 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A is equals to cosec A plus cot A. Now if you have to solve this, because the left hand side includes a square root, that is 1 plus cos of A by 1 minus cos of A. Now you can see, we have to take this out by rationalizing again. So what to rationalize? So you can write it as 1 plus cos A into 1 plus cos A. So this becomes whole square, so it will come out of the square root, and this is 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A. So you can understand that both will come out of the square root. So this is 1 plus cos A divided by sin A. Hopefully you got it. 1 plus cos A whole square, so if you take the square root you get 1 plus cos A. This is 1 minus cos square A, which is sin square A, and taking the square root we get sin A. So this equals to, if you separate it, 1 by sin A plus cos A by sin A. So this gives us cosec A plus cot A, and which is the value on the right hand side. Moving on to question number 24. We have 1 plus sec A divided by sec of A, and we need to get sin square A divided by 1 minus cos of A. So start again from the left hand side. 1 plus sec A by sec A. Now the right hand side you can see it is only sin and cos, so let us change in terms of sin and cos. 1 by 1 plus cos A, 1 plus 1 by cos A divided by 1 by cos A. So this becomes 1 plus cos A. into cos A by cos A. So that is 1 plus cos A. We have reached this particular point. Now you can see, if you look at the final result, in the denominator we have 1 minus cos A. So here, if you multiply both the numerator and the denominator with 1 minus cos A, let us see what happens. So this is 1 plus cos A multiplied by 1 minus cos A by 1 minus cos A. So I am doing it because my final result requires 1 minus cos A in the denominator. So it is 1 minus cos square A. We are getting the numerator value, and this is 1 minus cos A, this is the denominator. So finally we have sin square A by 1 minus cos A, which is the value on the right hand side. Question number 25. Sin A by 1 plus cos A plus 1 plus cos A by sin A, and that is equals to twice of cosec A. So this is what we have to prove here. So you can start from the left hand side once again. We have sin A by 1 plus cos A plus 1 plus cos A by sin A. So let us take the LCM. So LCM we take, this becomes sin square A plus, it becomes 1 plus cos A whole square. And in the denominator we have sin A into 1 plus cos A. So let us expand this, sin square A plus 1 plus cos square A plus twice of cos A, that is A plus B whole square. And in the denominator we have sin A into 1 plus cos A. So we have sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So it is 1 and plus 1, this is 2. So 2 plus 2 cos A divided by sin A into 1 plus cos A. You take 2 common from here. So if you take 2 common, so 1 plus cos A divided by sin A into 1 plus cos A. So these 2 are eliminated. We are left with 2 by sin A, and that is equals to twice of cosec A by the reciprocal ratio, and this is the value of the right answer. So let us move on to question number 26. Cos A by 1 minus tan A plus sin A divided by 1 minus cot of A, and that gives us sin A plus cos of A. Give it try to this problem. Cos A by 1 minus tan A plus sin A by 1 minus cot A equals to sin A plus cos A. So what to be done? This is cos of A by 1 minus tan A, and this is sin A by 1 minus cot of A. Our final result is sin A plus cos A, so we have to change everything in terms of sin and cos. So let us do it as cos A divided by 1 minus sin A by cos A plus sin A divided by 1 minus cos of A by sin A. So we have in the numerator cos square A divided by cos A minus sin A. Here it will be sin square A divided by sin A minus cos of A. So if you look at these two, it is cos A minus sin A, it is sin A minus cos A. So if you change the sign, then this denominator becomes equal. So we can write it as cos square A by cos A into sin A minus sin square A divided by cos A minus sin A. Now since now the denominator has become equal, by taking minus 1 common from the second term, we have the denominator same, so we can write it as cos square A minus sin square A divided by cos A so this will be cos square A minus, this will be cos A minus sin A. So in the numerator, let us factorize it. A square minus B square, so it is cos of A minus sin A, and this will be cos A plus sin A, and divided by cos A minus sin A. So these two will be eliminated. We will be left with cos A plus sin A, which is a value on the right hand side. Now the next question is question number 27. Tan of 4 theta 4a plus tan square a is equals to 6 of 4a minus 6 square a. So this is question number 27. Now let us see how can we solve this. So again, starting from the left hand side, we have tan 4a plus tan square a. If we take tan square a common, so we have tan square a plus 1. So this is tan square a, and 1 plus tan square a is 6 square a. Now tan square a is 6 square a minus 1 into 6 square a. So this becomes 6 to the power 4a minus 6 square a, and that is the value on the right hand side. Change tan into sec. After taking the common, taking tan square a common, we get this. So this is the final result we need to get is 4a minus 6 or 6 square a, and that is the right hand side. Moving on to question number 28. Question number 28 is sin theta plus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta. That gives us sec theta plus cosec theta. So again, as usual, we will move from the left hand side. Sin theta plus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta. Let us change tan and cot in terms of sin and cos. So we have sin theta plus cos theta, and this we can write as the quotient ratio sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta. So this is sin theta plus cos theta, and if you take the LCM, this becomes sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta. So this is sin theta plus cos theta. This is 1. So it is 1 by sin theta into cos theta. So there we have sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Now we separate these two. You can write it as sin theta by sin theta into cos theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. So sin will be eliminated, and from here cos will be eliminated. We will be left with 1 by cos theta plus 1 by sin theta, and 1 by cos theta reciprocal ratio gives the value sec theta, and 1 by sin theta gives us cosec theta, which is the value on the right hand side. So now let us take question number 29. Question number 29. Sin theta into tan theta divided by 1 minus cos theta, and that is equals to 1 plus sec theta. So what can we do to this? It is given as sin theta into tan theta by 1 minus cos theta. So if it is 1 minus cos theta, so and it is 1 plus sec theta. So we can again change tan theta into sin by cos, or you can rationalize again by taking 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Let us try it again. Let us see. You can write it as sin theta into sin theta by cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta, and here let us rationalize it. 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So here we have sin square theta into 1 plus cos theta. Sin square theta into 1 plus cos theta divided by cos theta into 1 minus cos square theta. So we have 1 plus cos theta by cos theta. Because 1 minus cos square theta will be sin square theta, and sin square theta and sin square theta will be cancelled out. So we left with 1 plus cos theta by cos theta. Now we will separate these two. This is 1 by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta. So 1 by cos theta reciprocal ratio gives sec theta plus 1. So this is what is on the right hand side. Let us take the next question, number 30. One plus cot theta minus cosec theta. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta, and that's equals to 2. So how can we proceed to this particular question? 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta into 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta. So here we can proceed by changing this into sine and cos. Can we do it like that? 1 plus cot theta. So let us check it. 1 plus cot theta you can write 1 plus cos by sine, and cosec you can write 1 by cos or 1 by sine. Let us check. 1 plus cot theta minus of cosec theta into so let's see what is the final outcome. You can write it as cos theta by sin theta minus 1 by sin theta, and this you can write 1 plus sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. If you take the LCM, so this will be sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 by sin theta. This will be cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 by cos theta. So if you look at the numerator, it is sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. This is sin theta plus cos theta plus 1. So you can write in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Let us see what we get. You can write it as sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. So you expand this, you can write sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, and 1 minus 1 they cancel out. We are left with 2 sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. So these two will be eliminated, and finally we have the right hand side, that is 2. So now I will write down a few questions. You just take it as homework and try to solve, and then we meet in the next class. So now 30 questions till now we have solved here, and a few questions I have in my capacity that I am giving you. So I am simply writing it on the board. You just try it at home. Tan A plus sec A minus 1, tan A minus of sec A plus 1, and this is equals to 1 plus sin A by cos A. 32 tan square A plus cot square A plus 2 equals to sec square A into cosec square A. 33 is sin of 4A plus cos of 4A, and that is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square A into cos square A. 34 is sin to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta plus 3 sine square theta into cos square theta, that gives you 1. And one more question, if tan theta plus sine theta is equals to m and tan theta minus sine theta is equals to n, prove that m square minus n square is equals to 4 root over mn. So these are the 5 questions. You try at home and see that you can solve this. So in the next class we will take up the next concept, which will be followed after this, identities. So till then, have a nice day. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.